Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about rest of your lesson, that is sublimation. So till now we have seen the distillation and all the separation methods. Now we will see what is sublimation. So what happened, take a gas burner and that is put a beaker, and if we add the camphor and allow to heat it, the solid will generally in substances the solid change to liquid and liquid to gaseous, but in case of camphor that is the solid directly change into the gaseous form, and if we do the same to the gaseous form, it changes into the solid form. So here what happens, the conversion of solid state into directly liquid state is called exactly the sublimation. So camphor is one of the example of sublimation. And chromatography, so there is one of the another method which is called chromatography. What is meant by chromatography is this before methods are used for separation, but now we that is this method is used for the observation of colors. That is, if we take a piece of chalk and if we put in the beaker or a glass plate, and here we should put a ink mark, that is the blue ink or red ink, and if we put it on the glass plate and pour the water in the glass plate, that is you should see that the water should not touch the ink that is ink mark. It is slightly below the ink mark. Now you should rotate the that is a chalk piece. After some times the layers will form, that is different colors of layers will form. So here we will say that is by this we can say that the ink is a mixture of many colors. That mixture of colors form the blue ink. So now one of the that is ink is one of the example. And leaf, in intermediate and degree classes we have seen, we will see the chromatography of leaf. Leaf is generally green in color, but in that inside the leaf there is a chromata, that is a chlorophyll. That chlorophyll is consists of xanthophylls. This all will be that is learned in the upper lessons. That is not important for you. So this is exactly called the chromatography. So a chalk with a different colors. So this, I said no, that ink mark and all. And what is meant by chromatography is that leaf, that all, and separation using more than one method. So some substances will be separated through only heating or only burning or something, but using more than one method is that is some substances will not separate only using one method. In that case we will use more than one method so that we can separate the particles easily. So what happen using different methods, what is meant by different, if take a beaker and add the dust and a salt and the mud and stir it properly, and after some time what we should do is that is remain it undisturbed for 10 minutes. After that what happens, the mud settles down, the dust floats and the salt dissolve. So here different methods are used for the flow to take out floating substances and to separate the mud substances and all. Now here we should do more than 2 or 3 methods to for the separation of mixtures. So by this topic this lesson have completed. So in this lesson we have seen different type of methods, that is a distillation, chromatography, sublimation, and how to make our own distilled water and all, and different how we can separate the substances using by eye contact, and water insoluble and soluble. So by this we have completed this lesson. Hope you understand. Once read all the methods, because these methods are very important for examination also. So once you read this all methods you will be understood, and don't confuse between one method and another method. Hope you understand. Thank you.